Hello everyone, my name is Upsar Sheikh. Today I am going to teach you how do organisms reproduce. But before that, first of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Upsar Sheikh. I did my master from Pune University. After that, I completed my B.Ed as well as I completed my postgraduate diploma in clinical research. Nowadays, I'm pursuing my PhD. Plus, I'm having more than 10 years experience to teach NEET students. Okay, so this is my short introduction. Today I am to teach you how do organisms reproduce. Okay, everybody know about in our surrounding the different type of the organisms are there. Okay, these different type of the organisms are divided into two groups. One is called as a unicellular organism. Second is called as a multicellular organism. Now both the type of the organism is going to show mode of reproduction. What is in a reproduction? Reproduction किसे कहा जाता है? Reproduction means what? The formation or production of the new individual. It's a process through which the production of the new individual, that is called as what? Reproduction. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the mode of reproduction. Okay, how the reproduction process is going on, what are the events that take place in the reproduction process. That part we are going to discuss. Now, first of all, we'll discuss some introductory part of this chapter. We'll discuss the definition. Okay, इसका definition क्या है exactly? Reproduction is a process by which living organism produce a new individual which is similar to themselves. That is called as a reproduction. Reproduction किसे कहा जाता है? एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, न्यू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है which is similar to their parents. That is called as the reproduction. Always remember reproduction to ensure the continuity of the life on the earth. रिप्रोडक्शन जो है वो क्या करता है, अर्थ के ऊपर जो कंटिन्यूटी है वो कंटिन्यूटी को मेंटेन करने का काम कर देता है. Okay, so this is just basic part of the reproduction. But always remember, we can say every time whatever the reproduced organism is there, that reproduced organism is not similar to their parents. Okay, जो भी प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म रहता है वो प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने पेरेंट्स से सिमिलर नहीं रहता है. वी कैन नॉट से लाइक दैट. व्हाई? बिकॉज it depends on the mode of reproduction. किस पे डिपेंड करता है? डिपेंड ऑन द मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. If there is a fusion of two different gametes are there, so ultimately it lead to a variation which is not an exact copy of their parents. But if only one parent is involved, so ultimately whatever the produced progeny is there, that produced progeny are similar to their parents. जो भी produced progeny रहेगी वो कैसी रहेगी? Similar रहेगी उनके parents के. Okay, so here in this chapter we are going to discuss both the things, how the sexual reproduction is going on as well as how the asexual mode of reproduction is going on. Okay, both the parts is going to discuss, as well as whatever the produced copies are there, that produced copies will be similar to their original or maybe they are not identical to their parents. It depends on the type of the reproduction. किस पे डिपेंड करता है? वो टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है. As well as already I told you, reproduction it ensure the continuity of the life on the earth. अर्थ के ऊपर जितने भी organisms हैं, right, that every organisms it undergo the reproduction process, and you know very well reproduction is nothing but what? Production of the new young one. So it ensure the continuity of the life on the earth. अर्थ के ऊपर जो continuity है life की, just because of the reproduction process. वो क्यों हो रहा है? सिर्फ reproduction process की वजह से हो रहा है. Understood till here? So this is just introductory part. Now I'll tell you the types of the reproduction. Mainly reproduction is having the two types. How many types are there? Two types of the reproduction are there. Okay. First, that is called as sexual mode of reproduction, and second is called as asexual mode of reproduction. How many types are there? Two types are there. Okay. First type which one? Sexual mode of reproduction, and second asexual mode of reproduction. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. First of all, we'll discuss the sexual mode of reproduction. अभी sexual mode of reproduction किसे कहते हैं? Okay, sexual in the mode of reproduction there is involvement of both the parents. What it is called? Involvement of both the parents. Okay, that is called as a sexual mode of reproduction. As well as in the sexual mode of reproduction, there is fusion of male and female gamete. ओके, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के अंदर क्या होता है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ बोथ द पेरेंट्स as well as fusion of male and female gamete is called as the sexual mode of reproduction. But if we'll talk about the asexual mode of reproduction, in the asexual mode of reproduction, only one parent is involved. Okay, what is that? Only one parents, only one parent is going to involved. That is called as the asexual mode of reproduction. Again, I'm repeating. Okay, this is an important point. Have to remember. Reproduction, it having two types. How many types are there? It consists of two types. Okay, first type, that is called as the asexual mode of reproduction. Second is called as a sexual mode of reproduction. What is in the asexual mode of reproduction? Only one parent is involved, either maternal, either paternal. Okay, कोई भी एक पेरेंट्स के इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा, वो क्या रहेगा, सेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. Now if we'll talk about the asexual, this is about the asexual. Now if we'll talk about the sexual, अगर हम लोग sexual की बात करते हैं, in the sexual mode of reproduction, both the parents are involved as well as fusion of male and female gamete. That is called as the sexual mode of reproduction. Now what are the example? अभी हम लोग example ले लेंगे. Asexual mode of reproduction का example है, that is amoeba, paramecium, mostly the unicellular organisms. जितने भी unicellular organisms होते हैं, these unicellular organisms is going to show asexual mode of reproduction. But whatever the complex organisms are there, जो भी complex organisms है, like human being or other placental mammals are there, they are going to show the sexual mode of the reproduction, where fusion of male and female gamete plus involvement of the both the parents. Did you understand till here? So these are the two different kind of the sexual as well as the asexual mode of the reproduction. Okay. Now we will discuss next important part, that is difference between of sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. Just now we discussed the definition. अभी हम लोग ने इसका definition देख लिया था कि sexual mode of reproduction किसे कहा जाता है, asexual mode of reproduction किसे कहा जाता है. Okay, so in the asexual mode of reproduction means what? There is fusion of only one parent is involved. If we'll talk about the sexual reproduction, both the parents are involved. Okay, in the asexual mode of reproduction, there is no gamete formation. Only parents is going to get involved. But in the sexual mode of reproduction, gametes are formed. इसके अंदर जो रहेंगे क्या रहते हैं, gametes involved रहते हैं. As well as in the asexual mode of reproduction, whatever the produced progeny is there, that produced progeny are identical to their parents. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस सेंटेंस. जो भी प्रोजेनी प्रोड्यूस की जा रही है, वो प्रोजेनी कैसी रहेगी, दे आर एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स. पेरेंट्स से कैसी रहेगी, वो एग्जैक्ट कॉपी रहेगी, एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ व्हाट, देयर पेरेंट्स. But if we'll talk about the sexual mode of reproduction, in the sexual mode of reproduction, whatever the produced progeny is there, that produced progeny are not genetically and morphologically similar to their parents. Okay, जो भी सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के अंदर प्रोजेनी या ऑफस्प्रिंग्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं, वो एग्जैक्ट अपने पेरेंट्स की कॉपी नहीं रहते हैं. लिटिल बिट वेरिएशंस आर देयर. हियर वी कैन टेक अ बेस्ट एग्जांपल, वी ह्यूमन बीइंग. ओके, वी आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. हम लोग हमारे पेरेंट्स की एग्जैक्ट कॉपी नहीं है. व्हाई वी आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ पेरेंट्स? व्हाई वी आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स? बिकॉज देयर इज involvement of both the parents as well as the fusion of male and female gamete. Understood? So this is the difference between of sexual as well as the asexual mode of the reproduction. Understood till here? Now look at over here now. This is the mode of sexual reproduction. Okay, types of the reproduction. Now the mode of sexual or asexual, any type. Okay, it depends on the body design of the organism. अभी जो भी टाइप है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का, वो किस पर डिपेंड रहता है कि वो ऑर्गेनिज्म से एग्जैक्टली बॉडी डिजाइन कैसा है, how that organism is having a body designs, whatever the habitats are there, how exactly they are habitual to environment, on the basis of their mode of asexual reproduction. Okay, quickly I am going to revise. There is the two types of the reproductions are there. First is called as asexual, second is called as sexual. In the asexual mode of reproduction, only one parent is going to get involved. Okay, सिर्फ एक ही parents involved होगा. Whatever the progeny is produced, that produced progeny are exact copy of their parents. जो भी प्रोड्यूस्ड प्रोजेनी रहेगी वो कैसे रहेगी, उनके पेरेंट्स से एग्जैक्ट कॉपी रहेगी. But if we'll talk about the sexual mode of reproduction, in the sexual mode of reproduction, two parents are involved. There is a fusion of male and female gamete. वहां पर दोनों पेरेंट्स का क्या रहता है, फ्यूजन रहता है. Now this asexual mode of reproduction where only one parent is involved as well as there is no formation of gamete, जहां पर gamete form ही नहीं हो रहे. Now that asexual mode of reproduction is also having a different mode, different kinds. जो असेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है उसके डिफरेंट काइंड्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स होते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट फ्यूजन, ओके, सेकंड बडिंग, देन स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, देन रीजनरेशन, देन फ्रैगमेंटेशन and then vegetative. How many are there total? Total 6 types are there. Where in the asexual mode of reproduction. First fusion, second budding, third spore formation, then regeneration, then fragmentation, and then vegetative propagation. Now these are the types of asexual mode of reproduction. Already I told you the mode of asexual reproduction, it depends on body designs of the organisms. किस पर डिपेंड करता है? It depends on body designs of that organism. Now we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss a meaning. Okay. Now this fusion again is divided into two types: binary fusion as well as a multiple fusion. Okay. Later I'll explain all the things in detail. Now this sexual mode of reproduction, you know very well. Okay. Sexual mode of reproduction किसे कहा जाता है? Fusion of male and female gamete where involvement of both the parents. जहां पर पेरेंट्स का क्या हो जाता है? इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. Now in the sexual mode of reproduction, again two types of the organisms are there. इसके अंदर क्या रहते हैं? Two types के organisms रहते हैं. First, that is called as unisexual organism, and second is called as a bisexual organisms. How many types are there? Two types of the organisms are there. First, which one? Unisexual organism, and second, bisexual organism. अभी unisexual, uni, single, bisexual, two. Okay, have to remember this meaning. Unisexual, uni means what? Single. Bi means what? Two. Unisexual, only one sex is present, either male or either female. Easily we can differentiate between them. हम लोग easily क्या कर सकते हैं? उनको differentiate कर सकते हैं. Example like human being, okay, reptiles as well as the birds. They come under what? Unisexual. But if we'll talk about the bisexual, in the bisexual, the best example is earthworm and tapeworm. Both the sexes are present in same organism. अर्थवर्म के अंदर टेस्टिस और ओवरीज दोनों रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन साथ में प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. टेपवर्म इज आल्सो हर्माफ्रोडाइट. हर्माफ्रोडाइट किसे कहा जाता है? दोज ऑर्गेनिज्म इज हैविंग बोथ द सेक्सेस is called as what? Hermaphrodite. Understood? So this is a complete classification of the reproduction. Now we will discuss one by one. Here we will discuss just meaning and then we will discuss in detail. Fission. Fission means what? Body is going to divide two equal half. Half means what? Part. Okay. Fission means what? The body of organism is going to divide into two equal half. That is called as a fission. Now next, budding. Budding means what? It's a small outgrowth. Like suppose this is our hydra. ये हमारा hydra है. Okay. Now on this hydra, the body of hydra is having small outgrowth. This one. Okay. This small outgrowth is called as bud. What it is called? It is called as the bud. Now initially this bud is attached to parent's body. Initially जो रहता है वो कैसा रहता है? It attached to a parent's body. But later it is going to detach from the parent's body and it is going to act as a new individual organism. That is called as a budding. Now we will take another example. Okay, budding का और एक example ले लो. Yeast. Okay, yeast is also going to show the budding process. Understood? Now third mode of reproduction, that is spore formation. Spore, these are the small microscopic motile structure. Spores जो रहते हैं, like suppose this is our fungus. Okay, on the fungus, body of fungus is having small microscopic structures are there, and these small microscopic structures is called as a spore. This spore is going to germinate under a favorable condition. यही spore क्या हो जाते हैं? Germinate हो जाते हैं under the favorable condition, and then after a germination, each spore is going to act as an individual. Understood? This is about the spore formation. Best example जो है कौन सा है? Fungi. Now next, regeneration. Regeneration means what? If any body part is lost due to a certain reason. Okay. Now again that body part is formed. That is called as a regeneration. ड्यू टू अ सर्टन रीजन, कुछ सर्टन रीजन की वजह से बॉडी पार्ट क्या हो जाता है, लॉस्ट हो जाता है. But after few days again that organism will have same body part, and such a process is called as regeneration. उसे क्या कहा जाता है, रीजनरेशन. अभी रीजनरेशन कैसे होता है? दिस ऑर्गेनिज्म इज हैविंग अ स्पेशल सेल्स, एंड these special cells is having totipotency capacity. ये ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंदर क्या रहते हैं, कुछ स्पेशल सेल्स रहते हैं, और ये स्पेशल सेल्स के अंदर किसकी कैपेसिटी रहती है, टोटिपोटेंसी. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय टोटिपोटेंसी? टोटिपोटेंसी मींस व्हाट? एबिलिटी ऑफ दिस सेल, ओके, एबिलिटी ऑफ दिस सेल which divide and redivide, divide and plus redivide. Understood? That is called as what? टोटिपोटेंसी. तो ये सेल्स के अंदर कैपेबिलिटी है. यहाँ पर बेस्ट एग्जांपल ले लो हमारा वॉल लिजर्ड. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा वॉल लिजर्ड अपना टेल छोड़ देती है, बट वही वॉल लिजर्ड को आफ्टर सम डेज टेल है, वहां पर टेल फॉर्म होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वॉल लिजर्ड इज हैविंग अ रीजनरेशन कैपेसिटी. So through the regeneration can produce a new organism. Understood? Now next, fragmentation. Fragmentation means what? Small pieces. Fragmentation किसे कहा जाएगा? The body of organism, parent's body is get converted into fragment, small pieces, and each fragment is going to act as an individual. हर एक fragment किस तरह से काम करेगा? It is going to act as an individual. Here we can take a best example of Spirogyra. Spirogyra is going to show this fragmentation process, जहां पर पेरेंट्स बॉडी है वो क्या हो जाती है, डिवाइड हो जाती है स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस में. ओके, एंड देन डिवाइड होने के बाद में वही जो स्मॉल पीसेस है, जो फ्रैगमेंट्स है, वो क्या कर एक्ट करते हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू एक्ट एज अ न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. अंडरस्टूड? So this is also asexual mode of reproduction. Now last, vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means what? Vegetative, asexual, propagate, rapidly divide. एग्जाम्पल ले लो ग्रासेस, लॉन ग्रास ले लो हमारा. जो लॉन ग्रास है रैपिडली वेजिटेटिवली प्रोपैगेट होता है, डिवाइड होता है. So through that also the new organisms are formed. Understood? So this is the mode of asexual reproduction. Did you understand till here? First is which one? Fusion, then budding, then spore formation, then regeneration, then fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. So these are the just simple meaning of the asexual mode of reproduction. Understood? Now remaining part will continue in our next lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you.